Okay guys, so let's jump into the SheIn portion of this video. So this first dress I got is a white halter glitter dress. It's held up by a chain. It's real risky for me. I got it in a size small versus a medium because the top is kind of loose. The next one I got is this burgundy-ish red colored asymmetrical dress. It cinches in your waist so good. I went down a size to a small and I'm glad that I did. It is gorgeous and you should probably downsize as well. The next one I got is this snakeskin romper. You zip it on the side. I had a little bit of a struggle, and then you button the front. It also comes with a tie to go around your waist. You just tie that. And I rolled up the sleeves because they were kind of like weird to me. I don't know. It comes in another design as well, but it's super cute. It also almost has an asymmetrical design because of the little flap in the front. But yeah, and then I also got a pair of jeans. These jeans are really cute. You can dress them up or down. It has a little cutout in the knee and it's high waist. Definitely go up a size with these jeans. So let's go right into this makeup tutorial now. So I'm using the NYX Cover All primer all over my face, and then I'm gonna continue on with the Milani eyeshadow primer. I love it so much. It's only like $5, y'all, real inexpensive. And sorry if I sound a mess. I just got really sick today out of nowhere. And I also like to put it on my smile lines because it keeps my foundation from creasing in my smile lines. That's a good tip right there. And we're just gonna put it all over our eyes. Now we're gonna use the Creative Me palette from Close to Sense. Y'all know I love them. And we're gonna take this pink right here and we're going to apply it above our crease area and sort of kind of in it too. And I'm taking like a pencil brush, but it's like a slightly softer than a pencil brush. It's just a really small blending brush. We'll just call it that, y'all. I'm not really good at these terms. And after that, we're going to take a clean fluffy brush and we're going to blend out the edges just so that it's not so harsh. And blend and blend and blend. And blend and blend and blend. Hey. And y'all see it kind of got softer. It is going to remove some of your color, but we're going to go back in later with some more pink and reapply it a little bit further down. But this is just for right now. After that, we're going in with this purple from the same palette, the Creative Me palette. And we're going to put that on our lid. Not completely on our lid. We're going to focus on the outer corner and the inner corner, kind of like a halo effect. You'll see what I'm talking about. And here it is right here. We're just going to put it in the inner corner and pat that in really nicely. The color payoff is amazing. This primer is amazing. The Milani, it's so good, it's so bomb. And then we're going to blend that back and forth with the blending brush that doesn't really have anything on it. The same one we used for the pink. And you'll see the colors start to sort of connect, but you don't want to connect it all the way. You just want a little bit light. Now we're going to do the Retro Love palette by Bad Habit. And we're going to take the psychedelic color. It looks white, but depending on the angle, it'll come off either white, pink, or purple. And I thought that was really dope. So that's the color we're going to use with some Fix Plus by MAC on our brush so that we can get some color payoff, get that shine going and everything like that. And then we're just going to pat that into the center of those two purple colors. With a much smaller brush, as you can see. And just adding some more Fix Plus, and then we're going to add that into the inner corners and the tear ducts of our eyes. Go back to that Creative Me palette and add some more purple on that small brush just to kind of blend the inner tear ducts together so it doesn't look like a harsh line. Alright, and then we're going to take the NYX Glitter Goals in Metropolis. Oh no, in Metropical. There we go, Metropical. And then I'm going to dab that onto a fluffy brush only because I kind of like the way that it comes out. I don't want it to be like one solid color. I just want a little bit of glitter in the center of my eyelid so that we don't lose a lot of that psychedelic color that we put in the middle. And then continue to pat back to the Creative Me palette. And we're going to take this reddish orange color and apply that into our crease area.
Perfect.
Just to add a little bit more, you know, Valentine's color to the look. And then we're gonna add some more pink because we kind of lost it. And then we're gonna blend it out with a fluffy brush with no product on it. And keep on blending. We want those edges blended out. And I put my foundation on as well as my highlight. Now we're going to contour with the e.l.f. contour palette, taking these two colors right here and the e.l.f. contour brush. Wait, no, this is the e.l.f. blush brush. I'm sorry, y'all. And we're gonna do our cheeks, our forehead, our nose, and then we're gonna take the e.l.f. eyeliner, and I love this eyeliner. It's super inexpensive, y'all. Y'all know I always come with really inexpensive products, but they work really, really well. And get those eyes popping. All right, and then go back with this pink from the Creative Me palette and do under our eyes, and then we're also gonna go in with that purple under our eyes as well. So next we're taking the Blush 2 palette by Coastal Scents, taking this pink color right here, and we're just going to put it on the balls of our cheeks. I don't know if that's what you call it. And then I'm going to pat it out with the same brush I put my foundation on just because it looked kind of harsh. Then this e.l.f. highlighter, I forgot the name, but I'll put it in the description below. And we're going to get those cheekbones popping. And then I'm going to dab it on my nose with my finger. I like using my finger better than a brush. And then we're also going to put that underneath our brow on our brow bone. And a little bit above it too. And then I did my lips with the Manica Dar lip gloss and a brown liner, and that's all I really use. Now I'm gonna Fix Plus my face, and we are done. Okay, love, so this is the final result of my Valentine's Day look. I actually wore this look in like a couple other wig videos, and y'all asked for a tutorial, so here y'all go. I hope that y'all like it. It's pretty fun. I know it's a lot of blending and reapplying and all that, but I think it's cute. Like I said, I'm not claiming to be the best person at makeup. I hope that this was easy to follow. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video.